Okay, so I'm in Subway in Havelock. I just ordered a Philly steak sub. I've been getting the same sub for years. Uh, I've never had one taste like this. I have a witness here, my friend Kyle. Uh, this sub is clearly bad. The mayonnaise has gone bad on it. These gentlemen here are speaking like they almost know of what is happening. But for whatever reason, I guess they save money somehow by serving bad mayonnaise. But anyhow, they're refusing to refund my sub, and I clearly cannot eat this. My stomach turned just biting into it. The Balcom Pateau in Havelock. And they're refusing to refund my order, and this sub is clearly bad. The mayonnaise on it has turned, and they say that just because they haven't got any complaints, that means that they don't have to refund my sandwich, which I am not satisfied with. In fact, it's stomach turning. I've been buying the same sub for years. And as you can see, that is not the regular looking Southwest Chipotle. That is not what it looks like usually. And then there, I'll pull out the rest of it in 1 second. There, as you see, has clearly turned, and it's disgusting. My stomach turned just one bite, and they're refusing to refund it, my sandwich. So, there you have it. Just after 2 o'clock. This is my visit to Subway in Havelock. And these gentlemen, just again, are refusing to refund my sub when I'm clearly not satisfied with it, and it is clearly bad product. Thursday, March 17th, just after 3.
Did you get it out of them?
Eh?
Did you get it out of them?
No.
No?
I gotta go to head office, man.
Oh, wow.